Welcome to Law Ruler. We're glad that you're here. In this tutorial, we'll review the Law Ruler Newsfeed. This feature is extremely valuable as it will allow you to see everything that is going on inside of the firm every day. In this tutorial, we will cover using the newsfeed, searching and filtering through the newsfeed, and exporting the newsfeed report. The newsfeed can be found by accessing it in the top right corner of the inbox, or by clicking the newsfeed icon on the left side of the page. Once we access the newsfeed, here we can see any activity that's taken place inside of the portal. There are various filters that we can apply in the newsfeed. We can search by a date range. We can apply a filter for different types of activity. We can also search by case type, by user, by status. There's also a very powerful keyword search which will allow you to search for any keyword inside of the activity. If we want to filter by something, so looking for something specific like changing a case role, we can always search by that, and that will allow us to see any of that different types of activity in the system. Or we can also search for added a note, and here we can see all the different notes that were added. Again, we can also search by different case types or by different users inside of the system. So if we want to see all the activity that Bill did, we can always search by different users inside of the newsfeed. Once we've pulled up the activity that we want to pull up, we can always export the newsfeed report by clicking the export button in the top right corner of the screen. As always, thank you for choosing Law Ruler. If you have any support questions, we're here to help. You're welcome to contact us via email at support@lawruler.com, and you can also access our online support forum at support.lawruler.com. If you ever need done-for-you consulting, it is billed hourly and available for you, so please inquire whenever you need our expert team to do something on your behalf.